This is the most upright Via Ferrata of Romania and for sure an amazing exercise. Be advised, while scary and hard to climb, the Wild Ferenc Via Ferrata is not that difficult and for sure not impossible to complete. With a short but sharp approach that will get your legs tired while making your breath fade away, this Via Ferrata is as beautiful as it is intimidating. To me, this was my third Via Ferrata ever climbed, and I will remember not remembering anything more than the uncontrollable shaking legs and the regret of getting in way over my head on a route that was obviously not something to take lightly. I did it. I climbed to the top. Once completed, I wanted more, and I got. Since then, I returned twice. What an adventure. My last time here, it was packed. So many climbers. Groups after groups. I couldn't believe it. My first two times, it was just me, nobody else. But now, it was the pure definition of a tourist trap. Something like Mount Everest, where climbers sit in line to get to the summit. They should build more. The crag has plenty opportunity. Out of all Via Ferrata in Romania, this Via Ferrata is the only one going that high and so uninterrupted on its vertical. It has a unique construction unmatched by any other Via Ferrata in Romania. While not the only Via Ferrata with unique features, the Wild Ferenc Via Ferrata sits among the top 3 Via Ferrata of Romania I highly recommend trying. The secret of climbing this Via Ferrata: have with you a reliable resting system and go up step by step without any sense of urgency. Take your time, stop, rest while properly using your resting system, and remember to look back. The view is mesmerizing. I love this Via Ferrata. It fascinates me. When you go, remember that because gorges provides you with the opportunity to test your uphill driving skills, while the gorges are a must-see of Romania. Thank you for watching. This is my way of giving back. Care to join?